PAO employees are asking the Office of the Ombudsman to suspend PAO Chief Acosta because of corruption.
Well, if there is a case in the Ombudsman, then we'll let the Ombudsman do its work.
But will the palace step into...
No, as a matter of policy, the President does not interfere in the work, function, activity of any constitutional body or any branch of the government. Let the law take its course.
Hindi pa siya, sir. The palace will not ask her to mag-leave muna for the meantime para to give way for the investigation.
Eh, nasa ano yun eh, naki Chief Acosta na yun.
Does she still have the trust of the President?
Eh, palagi naman si Presidente, hanggang walang findings of probable cause. Palaging nandun yung trust. Pero pag may probable cause na, iba na usapan yun. Then there will be suspension. Kaling sa Ombudsman. Eh, hindi naman teritoryo ni Presidente yun.